Okay. I don't know why
It's
I'm
the
nervous with
same thing you say, just
I know. Okay.
with me here.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Missy. I'm here with my husband Tyrone. You guys have already met him. This video is gonna be a little different one. We're doing it together. I recently did a subscription to Snack Crate, and I signed up for a trial box. And right now, I guess like for the holiday, they're doing dollar sign up.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of like a small box. I don't know how many pieces are in here, but like I said, it's only the trial box. So we're just giving it a shot, and we haven't opened it yet. So this is going to be like completely a surprise. I don't know what to expect, what country it is. And this is going to be a fun experience. Mm-hmm. So here we go. And we have apple juice just in case.
It tastes like crap.
Yeah. So let's get to it. Do you want to open it?
Sure. Get the dog in the
How's everyone? What are your holiday plans? All right. So where are we going?
To the Philippines.
The Philippines. Because, you know, we can't afford it. So why not bring it here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So there's a little pamphlet. This is our first time we've ever done it, so I don't even know like what to expect. So I'm guessing they send you like this little thing, like a pamphlet, tells you about the country. So I guess these are like what you can possibly get.
Mm-hmm.
This is pretty cool. What's that?
It's just like, oh, you want more snacks from the Philippines? Sign up for Snack Crate.
Oh, look, and it gives you stickers.
No, you like stickers.
Yeah, I put them on my hydro flask.
A lot of them.
All right. So when you open the box, that's what it looks like. It has, you know, the sticker for the country. Okay. I'm like, I don't even know sometimes. All right. Oh, okay. There's quite a few in here, actually.
Right.
Which one do we want to try first?
Just go from top to bottom.
Okay. So this is... Oh, I'm going to slaughter this. Boyong Cornick adobo flavor. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Boyong Cornick.
I mean, that's the best you're going to get, honestly.
So it's probably peanuts. Look at Marley.
So I want to try.
I like peanuts.
Yeah.
Have an ass.
For the damn kids.
Ew. It smells like fucking... I don't cuss on my channel. I'll blurt it out.
Wow, she cussing.
It reminds me of like the season packets from the Maruchan packets.
It reminds me of a different scent of corn nuts.
Okay, grab some.
I didn't grab one like you did.
Okay, grab two. So you can get like a...
And this is what the apple juice is for. Just
yeah.
Just in case.
Just in case it's gross.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Ready?
I think that means chicken.
Adobo. Well, it's not bad. Okay, why?
It's okay.
It's not bad. I'm not going to say it's horrible. It's more.
Mm-mm.
Okay, this is mine.
Yeah.
All me. Corn nuts from the Philippines.
You want to say this one next?
All right. The brand is called Oshi, as in,
Like, oh,
you watch your mouth. Sponge Crunch. Sounds like two contradicting factors.
Sponge Crunch.
Yeah.
This is Marley. She wants to be a part of it.
Can't have chocolate.
Oh.
Ah! You almost like dropped her on camera.
She kind of just
All
flew.
right.
So it's a sponge cake?
Sponge
Crunch.
Sponge Crunch.
What? That makes no sense because that's completely opposite. A sponge is soft and a crunch is hard.
That's why it said it's totally contradicting itself.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
It smells like a giant, what's the chocolate cookies? I mean, the chocolate cereals?
Cereal, like
Cocoa Puffs. Yeah. This isn't bad. You should just put milk in it in a bowl.
Have to make it a cereal.
Make a cereal bowl.
Mm-hmm.
That's not bad.
No.
I feel like it's coated with like chocolate.
More chocolate. Good. I like it.
I like it. I'll probably have another one.
Those corn nuts are something else, I can't lie.
I don't like the corn nuts.
I like them. I'm gonna call them corn nuts.
Okay. So they sent 2 of this.
Okay.
Oshin Weifu.
Waffle.
Rolled wafer with creamy chocolate filling. This is like a...
I'm just letting everybody know it's spelled wafu because I know how to say waifu. And it's with an I. Watch anime.
What are those, like, those cookies that are sticks and you get them in a can?
I don't know what they're called. But I know what you're talking about.
These taste like that.
Mm-hmm. Somebody. Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. Not bad. That's actually pretty good.
Yeah. Okay.
Very crumbly,
Yeah, it is.
but that's all right.
No, I picked the last one.
We got Cloud9 Classic.
What?
Cloud9.
What's the description?
It is a luscious caramel, crunchy peanuts, and soft nougat enriched chocolate.
Nougat.
Nougat. You should like zoom up on my lips like that. Nougat.
You're such a jerk.
I am. Oh my god. I can't even.
You can probably just have to bite in.
Okay.
Oh.
Kind of hard, huh?
Yeah.
Nougat.
Hmm. That was really hard.
That's what she said. You breathing over there, Benny? Oh, loud.
That was really like. I'm really chewy.
Firm.
Firmly grasp it.
Yeah. Okay, SpongeBob.
Firmly grasp it.
Weird. But alright. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Like if somebody gave me it, I would eat it.
I'd probably eat half of it.
Yeah, and like save the other half, like
The
yeah, like
garbage.
I always do. Like, oh yeah, bring your piece of
The
candy.
garbage.
But I wouldn't like ever be in the store like,
Damn. I wanted some Cloud9.
that's some fire. No, I don't think I see myself in the future leaning towards that.
But it's okay.
I'm gonna grab this one because it looks really interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm kind of excited to try it. It's called Ube cake or Ube cake. Luscious Ube flavor wrapped in a light, delicate sponge cake.
Sounds intriguing.
Nice.
Actually, it smells really good.
It smells like sugar.
I need all this is sugar.
I don't know why I expected it to be purple.
Because the inside it might be purple. So go ahead.
I thought it was gonna be purple. Cause like, look. It looks like when you overcook like
Sad.
your brownies.
Oh my gosh. Ready? Oh,
Look, a Popeye's biscuit.
biscuit. Oh man. I need a drink.
Mmm. Oh Lord.
Man.
Who gives those to kids? That's messed up.
Oh my gosh.
That's messed up.
That's funny, isn't it?
Can you imagine, like a baby? They gave it to a baby.
Mm-hmm. Oh man.
Okay. We have 2 more.
Go with the chocolate first. We didn't eat chocolate. I'm just gonna finish it off. Yeah.
Now read it.
There's 2.
So what?
It's called Sky Flakes. Crackers.
What's it say on the bottom right?
However you say chocolate, that's about it. It's like tea, cocoa latte.
It's a soca latte. Or maybe the T is silent and it's like soca latte.
Maybe.
I think it's one giant one. It's
like a cracker sandwich with chocolate.
right, like if you got Nutella on saltine crackers.
Mm-hmm.
That's exactly what it tastes like.
Mm-hmm. Literally.
Without the salt.
Yeah. Not bad either.
No. You also make sure that you have something to drink with this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Do you want some more apple juice?
I'll make mine last.
I couldn't. Especially after
that's
that
fine.
sponge.
That biscuit. I'm opening the last one.
Okay.
We got the same thing, Skyflakes, but this one's gonna be sweet milk, called
Condensada.
it's like condensada.
The condensed milk.
It's sweet milk.
Condensed milk.
Sweet milk is condensed milk. All right. Bam! Look at that, delicious.
Ugh.
I can smell it from here. Ooh.
Oh, it just smells like straight sugar.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh.
Well,
I don't taste anything.
really? You don't taste anything?
No. Maybe I'll try to actually. I only bit like the outside.
Scared cat.
No.
Did you try it now, or did you taste it now? Try this piece or something.
It's like a hint of sweet.
That's all it is.
Oh, okay. Well, then I guess I did try it.
All it is. It's not like a strong.
I was expecting it like a chocolate
Yeah.
to be like overpowering.
Nope.
Maybe my third cup.
I'm killing it.
I just really like apple juice.
Me too. Because, you know, apple juice is better than orange juice, so I decided to put that out there.
This is the best apple juice in the world. The Safeway brand.
It's wild.
So, that was our first trial box. So, I think the next box that we get, which is December, it might be bigger. I don't really know. I just know that I'm going to get billed next month for it. So, we will do this again.
Yes.
He will be in my snack crate videos because I'm not going to eat all these by myself. But which one was your favorite?
I'd probably have to go with the Sponge Crunch.
With the Cocoa Crisps.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think that one I would go with too.
Are you sure? I thought you like that Ubo cake.
This one?
Yeah?
No,
I look like you enjoyed that one.
this one. I even went back and had two
I see that.
when we first had it. I think those are your favorite.
Well, I like chocolate, but I haven't had like corn nuts before. So
You've never ate corn nuts.
I have, but
Those aren't even corn nuts.
I know they're not.
Those are like puff nuts.
Puff nuts.
Because there's not actually corn in it.
Called Cornick.
They don't look like corn nuts. Oh, never mind. It says fried corn. They're just so puffy.
Oh, alright.
I mean, they're okay. But they honestly, I feel like the seasoning is like Maruchan. I don't like it.
Paparam.
Like if you just ate it by itself. But anyways, that was our box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment down below with anything you want to see. And until then, take care. Bye. Ew. Thanks.
Get down.